Becoming a real estate developer involves acquiring land, planning projects, securing financing, and managing construction to sell or lease properties for profit. It requires business acumen, market knowledge, and persistence. Here's how to start in 2025. Gain education and skills. While no specific degree is required, study real estate, finance, or business. Online courses like Coursera are around $50 per month, or you can find free YouTube tutorials. Learn market analysis, zoning laws, and project management. Understand local real estate trends via Zillow or Redfin. Build experience. Start as a real estate agent, property manager, or intern with a developer to learn deal-making and permitting. Join local real estate investment groups for mentorship. Volunteer on community planning boards to understand regulations. Secure capital. Save for initial investments or partner with investors. Explore financing, bank loans, 15 to 25% down, private lenders, or crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise. Build a strong credit score, 700 plus for better terms. Start small. Begin with a single-family home or small flip project. Research undervalued properties via MLS or auctions. Hire architects, contractors. Obtain permits through local municipalities. Form an LLC, register a limited liability company from $50 to $500 to protect personal assets. File via your state's Secretary of State website. Network and market. Attend industry events. Join REIA groups. Create a website or LinkedIn to showcase projects. Use Instagram for visuals of completed developments. Tips: analyze deals with the 70% rule. Buy at 70% of after-repair value minus repairs. Expect 1 to 2 years for first project profitability. Consult attorneys or CPAs for contracts and taxes.